Hello guys, so in my previous video you saw that I found an issue with these controllers, especially at least for me. So they have some sort of ramp, rate limiter, filter, whatever you want to call it, on the throttle that does not enable you to have full acceleration, full torque immediately and to achieve the speed, top speed, as fast as possible. That's pretty bad for any sort of control, but let's say I could live with that. But I found more issues with these controllers, and I will demonstrate you uh, those issues now. So it's basically that you can't change direction while the motors are still spinning the way they were spinning. So they don't have any problem like going forwards, going reverse. There's no problem when you try to steer in place. But when you are going forwards and apply reverse, bam, you saw that like nothing was happening for a moment, and then the motor started engaging and applying reverse torque. So the same thing happens when you're going to reverse, full throttle, nothing now. And you saw that only one motor was spinning. That was because other controllers were just like in some dumb state when they don't do anything. And that happens pretty randomly. That's one more problem, that like it's really unpredictable when these things are going to happen. So any kind of control of this vehicle is going to be impossible with these controllers. But one best example where I can demonstrate unrepeatability of this system is when you try to turn in place, then apply a bit more throttle, then apply a bit throttle to move forwards, and then you reduce the throttle to continue spinning in the place again, and that just doesn't happen. So you'll see me now turning into left, blipping the throttle a bit to move forwards, and releasing the throttle. It should continue spinning in the place, but it will just continue going forwards with one side of the motors working and the other one just doing nothing. So steering right, steering left, blip the throttle, release the throttle. It actually stopped completely, so it just went nuts completely. So I'll try in the other direction. So right, blip the throttle, release the throttle, and you see only the left motors work now, and now the right motors also started spinning in the direction they should because they stopped. So let me try to demonstrate that again. So turning. You saw that. So the right motors only started working when the entire robot stopped, and like that's not really predictable. So let me try to do that again. So spinning, blipping the throttle, release the throttle, and it still goes. Like, that's really bad. Like, that's really bad. Yeah, so don't buy these controllers. That's pretty much for now. See you later, guys. Bye.